Good morning, everybody. Sorry about the last video I tried to send. I'm not quite sure why it didn't show, but I'll try this again. So yesterday I had you all write a second draft of your happy place, but I think I didn't get my point across and explain properly what I was expecting. What I'm looking for is for you to incorporate draft 1 with draft 2. Draft 1 was a description of your happy place using specific senses and descriptions. And then draft 2, you were to incorporate a specific moment at your happy place and really zero in on that moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you an example or show you an example of my happy place draft 2. So if you see on the screen, it shows that in bold, this right here was my draft 1. And it kind of describes my happy place, what I've done at my happy place, what it's like for me. And then in the next part, this would be my draft 2, where I incorporated a very memorable moment and zeroed in on that moment. Now, like with all of you, you have all kinds of different memories when you are in your happy place. And like you, I also have many memories in my happy place, which is the lake. And in draft 2, what I did was I included this one moment that is very memorable to me, and it was very, very embarrassing. And it was a time when I went to Lake St. George with several of my friends and their boyfriends and their children and another couple. I had no idea who they were. I just met them. And what we did at the lake every time we went, we would always have a diving contest. And the contest would be who could jump off the dock in the silliest way. And when it was my turn, I did my dive and my bathing suit bottoms fell off and I lost them. They just kind of drifted down to the bottom of the lake, and I was kind of stuck on what to do because I had no towel on the dock, and everybody was waiting for me to get out of the pool or get out of the lake. So I really zeroed in on that moment, and then what I did was I ended it with bringing my audience back to my happy place right here. It's just a very simple conclusion about how important the lake is to me. And I think when I do my final draft, I may kind of beef up my conclusion a little bit. So I hope this helps you understand what I'm looking for when it comes to incorporating your memorable moment in your happy place. And for some of you, you shared several different happy places, but I'd like for you to pick only one. And again, one specific moment or memory in that happy place. So I hope this helps, and if you have questions, please let me know. So I would like to see draft 3 incorporating draft 1 and 2 by the end of the day today. Have a great day.